Mmm.
Stuff in the microwave.
Fried chicken.
Yummy delicious.
Yummy.
It's called yummy delicious fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Kids' favorite. And it's our favorite. Yummy, yummy,
It's amazing how
yummy.
much you can put in a small oven, eh?
Yeah.
Enough for
Fried chicken. Yum, yum. Yeah.
or
Food.
oven baked chicken. Well, it's the same thing.
No, it's fried chicken.
Yeah, I guess more or less. Fried is usually in a pan.
It's
but whatever.
yummy.
As long as it works.